Albanese. He smacked him around with all his fake numbers and all that. He's a condescending punk. That's what he is. And he don't get into work until after 12. He shouldn't be the New York leader. We need a leader that cares about all the people in New York. If there's a problem in Chinatown, I want to be there helping the Asian community. If there's a problem up in Washington Heights, I want to be there for the Dominican community. I want to be the mayor for all the community, not just to elect the people that pay me. $15 billion project on the west side, my friend Steve Ross. $15 billion, not one affordable apartment. And then he says last night, affordable housing. How can it be affordable at $1,800 a month when you're making $30,000 a year? He throws these numbers out, they're all fake, and I can't wait to debate him. He's got to debate me 2 times. I'm the independent Democratic candidate running on the line, dump the mayor line, and we're going to dump him because all the people are going to gather around. We're up to here with Big Bird. Let him go to Germany, to Hamburg. Let him go on a long vacation. I'll pay for his flight. I'll say it right